And you know, what seller's not complete with toilet just hanging out?
We've just wasted a good bit of time. So when your neighbor's tree crawls up your chimney in house, what do? I don't know what the heck's going on. Agents don't answer their phone. They don't give you the right information to access. Beats the heck out of me. On to the next one, I guess. Is it worth it? That's why we're here today in Hagerstown on Washington Street to see this house right behind me. It is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. They're asking $200,000. It has been on the market for 55 days. It is 1,068 square foot. The agent did reach out to me when I scheduled the showing and said they're dropping the price to $195. They're leaving the washer and dryer and the window units and the wall-mounted TV. So let's go take a look and see, is it worth it? Initially out front, we got a little bit of chipping paint. Nothing too terrible. So what we got on the side over here. Ooh, that's a big retaining wall. Overall, house looks pretty good. This fence is kind of rough. That is actually fake ivy. And then we got another fence back here. Let's just keep tooling around and see what we see. So, certainly very overgrown. Steps need paint. Oh for 2. Got into the lockbox on this one, but there is a digital door lock for the deadbolt, and neither code worked. And of course, the agent didn't answer their phone. So now we've just wasted a good bit of time. So I don't know what the heck's going on. Agents don't answer their phone. They don't give you the right information to access. Beats the heck out of me. On to the next one, I guess. Talked to the agent back on this one, and it was totally user error on my fault. I didn't know how to open the darn lock. I thought I was doing the right thing. I wasn't. We got radiator heat, big window unit for AC, LVP on the floors, and nice little family room here. Good size. I really love the tall ceilings in this place. And we got a fireplace. Probably doesn't work. Doesn't look like it's been used, but cool space. And we got a little pass through from the kitchen. Another radiator here. Good sized kitchen. Countertops would need to be changed out. Cabinets look to be in good shape. I like the ceiling. That ceiling fan is just dirty. Doesn't look like it's been cleaned in a while. Gas cooking. And we got some storage out here, which that's supposed to be access out back, but doesn't look like it's used. And laundry over here. Why do they have soffit vent up there? Let's keep looking. Creepy basement time. All right, let's take a look down here. There's an old boiler system. So the radiators are still the main source of heat. This is from 2010, so that makes me feel good. And you know, what seller's not complete with toilet just hanging out? And over here, I'm gonna guess 01. I think it's old, but I would plan to just replace that. But the copper looks good on it. Excuse me. Copper looks good on it. And let's see what we have behind this door. Creepy storage space. But it is dry in here, so that makes me feel good. Just storage space. Looks like trash collection in there. That's probably under some of the decking. Let's head up and take a look.
That is probably one of the tiniest windows I've ever seen, but I like it. Alright, start to the left. Bedroom 1. Pretty good shape. And there was an issue up there at one point. Bedroom number 2. Hall bath with the clawfoot. That kind of looks like a safety hazard. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not going to touch that. And attic access. That light works. Look how big that vanity is. Vanity's huge for in here. Oh, goodness. Ooh, whoever's living up here or has lived up here, hopefully it's only during the winter. But good space, unfinished, storage, and potentially a bed. And the toilet's behind the door. And bedroom number 3. That has access, supposed to have access to the porch out here. See what we can see from back here. Not much. And then I think we can access. I don't know if we can access back there or not. Everything's blocked off, but looks like a storage shed out there too. So far, I like this one too. It needs flooring, it needs paint, and probably a couple other things, but overall, it's not bad. So out of the 5 we tried to look at, I think I might offer on 2.